kind of a big moment for me was when someone walked by my desk and said, "Have you heard about podcasting?" And I had to go scramble and figure out what podcasting was. It was the same thing with ChatGPT. It took a while for me, for kind of my team at BCG to start figuring out, what is this thing to us, right? What is this thing to us today? I think from the beginning, you kind of got, okay, this thing's going to develop in a way that, maybe it's going to start threatening the primacy of human beings in content creation. But we're still speculating about that, right?
Is there a fear that it could not just replace writers, people in thought leadership function, but also consultants? Like clients would just tap in their questions and they wouldn't need BCG or McKinsey or Bain was that fear going around in some parts?
So I can't speak to that because it's not my part of the world. But, I think it's fair to say that very serious and deep conversations about what this technology would mean to the profession were ongoing, honestly, before ChatGPT, and accelerated greatly, right? I mean, I think that's quite safe, right? And, I think across BCG, the real ethos is to lean into this technology, experiment with it, start building with it, and let's chart our own course for how this affects us, right, across the organization.